Let's talk about maintenance of your system. Now, for optimal performance, the ground control TT system requires that you maintain those batteries at full voltage and that you're utilizing shore power. The system voltage can be monitored at the One Control touch panel. This will allow you to see the battery's performance under the load of operation. Then you're going to want to check the terminals at the battery and the connectors at your controller and the C-jacks for corrosion, paying attention to loose or damaged connectors. Next, you're going to want to inspect all the moving parts on the jacks and remove all the dirt, debris, and grease from them. Once you get all those moving parts cleaned up, you're going to want to add a thin layer of white lithium grease to the C-jacks and a thin layer of dry grease like quick lube to your tongue jack.